Hey, what is up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to convert your boring factory steering wheel from this to this. I'm going to use the leftover suede material that I had from my interior door panel suede conversion, which I have a full tutorial, so do make sure to check it out. This material has a sticker backside which basically acts as a self-adhesive sheet. I really enjoyed working with this suede material because it is elastic and it fits to the curves I want. I wasn't really happy with the factory steering wheel because of the wear over the years since it's a 2007, and I also wanted to complement my suede door panels. So I'm going to start off by first getting an understanding of the size I need to cut the suede material, and for this I'm going to divide and contour sections of the steering wheel. And to complement my carbon trim gear knob, I will also install these curved carbon fiber steering wheel trims. The completed version looks amazing, but I'm not really happy with the undercovered portion of the steering wheel. So I decided to remove and redo the sides of the steering wheel. Alright, so the steering wheel suede installation is done. It looks phenomenal, and I would definitely say that the stock steering wheel looks so much better now with the suede and everything. Now this suede material is also complemented with this carbon fiber extension on the sides. Looks really neat. The steering wheel by itself looks very expensive and custom made. I think it's worth it to get the suede on your internal panel just because you have the sticky dash. And next week I'm going to upload a tutorial on installing suede on the whole dashboard. I'm just waiting for the material to arrive because this is a 2006 or 2007. Just a second. What's up?
Bro, what's your YouTube channel's name?
It's Build Fix Cars.
Build Fix Cars?
Yeah,
Alright,
Build Fix Cars.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
yeah. See ya, buddy.
See ya.
When I install the suede here, the whole interior will kind of match together with the suede on the interior here in the front, with the suede dash, the suede steering wheel, and the driver's side. So I think all in all, it looks really nice as a whole, and the link will be in the description. If you guys like this installation video, do hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one.